How long have you been doing?
I do jujitsu.
You've been doing jujitsu.
In the event, I'm hosting his show, The Jeff Richards Show.
Oh, did you?
It's my show, but I'm never there. It's my
the show Extraordinary. I don't know how we pull this stuff off, especially the Tracy Morgan.
Chili con carne Fritos. Not many people know that.
Right, and you had my back because when I started flipping out, when I started smashing things,
But we're not.
Yeah. You attended UCLA.
And they just ignore Travolta in Pulp Fiction, you in Baskets. It's just like, they're rich. If you hang...
What wood?
You really gotta know what you're doing. Wood from a tree.
What inspires me is lately good writing. I've been doing a lot of reading, and I've been reading books, and I'm so moved by different things I read.
Pizza's great, and I love New York, and I
They're effervescent beauty.
You ready to...
Extrasensory perception. I got into composing and arranging music.
It's my show.
Killing it for you, boy. Killing it.